In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send big files with Outlook without errors or limits. 5 minutes. If you've ever had Outlook reject a large attachment or bounce back an email, this walkthrough will save you time and headaches. We're going to use Outlook on the web and share your file as a OneDrive link. That way your message sends quickly, your recipients can access the file without clogging inboxes, and you avoid size limits. Start by opening Outlook in your browser and signing in if you're prompted. Once you're in, head to your inbox so you're in the main mail view. This gives you access to the standard composer and the full set of insert options we'll use in a second. Click New Mail to open a fresh message. You'll see the compose window with the to, subject and message body fields. Before you add your file, it's helpful to type a short note that explains what the file is and why you're sharing it. Clear context helps recipients trust and find your content quickly, especially when it arrives as a link. Next, look along the top of the Compose window for the Insert menu. Click Insert, then choose Attach File. You'll notice multiple sources for attachments here. Instead of attaching a giant file directly from your computer, we're going to select OneDrive. This is the key step. Sharing from OneDrive tells Outlook to place a cloud link into your message rather than embedding a huge attachment that can hit size caps. Click OneDrive. If your file is already in OneDrive, you'll see your folders and documents. Navigate to the right folder and select the file you want to send. If you have several related files, you can place them together in a single OneDrive folder beforehand, and choose that folder to keep everything organized within one link. With the file selected, click Share Link. Outlook adds a smart attachment to your email that points to the file in OneDrive. By default, recipients will get access without you needing to send a bulky attachment. If you want to fine-tune access, look for the link's permission options on the attachment card and choose whether people can view or edit, and whether only recipients or anyone with the link can open it. Pick the least permissive option that still meets your needs. At this point, your message includes a lightweight, reliable link to a large file. Add your recipients, write a clear subject line, and you're set. You've avoided size errors, kept your email fast and professional, and made it easy for others to download exactly what they need.